guys, welcome back to my IGTV. So in today's video I am going to talk about two of my very favorite skincare tools which I use them in my daily skincare routine. I am talking about my Jade facial roller and my Jade Gua Sha stone. Now these two skincare tools, as you all know, is so much in trend. Everyone uses them and I also use it very religiously, and to be honest, these are like miracle tools for me. It is believed that these two tools help with anti-aging, prevent from acne. When you use these two tools, it actually moisturizes your skin so well, and you get a flawless and a younger looking skin just by using these two tools. So in today's video I'm going to show you like how I use it and what are the uses of these two tools, because I was getting a lot of DMs from you all asking me to do a video to how to use these two tools. So like how I use it is like, after applying a sheet mask, I leave it for 15 minutes, and when I remove it, there is serum on my face. So on top of that serum, I use these two tools. I massage, and it helps in getting that serum penetrate deep into your skin. So and also it is recommended that not to use these two tools when your skin is dry. So always moisturize your skin with any kind of facial oil or a moisturizer, or any kind of serum. Apply it and then use these two tools, and it's very effective. Let me tell you, I have personally seen a lot of change on my facial skin just by using these two tools. So guys, let's get into the video and I'll show you how I use it. Jade rolling is a simple technique using a jade roller to apply pressure to the skin and underlying tissue in order to create movement beneath the surface. The process is very simple. You just roll it over your face, covering as much ground as possible. I recommend rolling it in one direction, that is upwards and outwards, rather than up and down. For best results, jade rolling should be done as often as daily when you do your skincare routine. Jade rolling is an effective way to help skincare products penetrate more deeply. The most well-known benefits of using jade roller include reducing inflammation and puffiness of the skin, reducing the appearance of under-eye circles. It helps in stimulating the lymphatic system and blood circulation. It helps in brightening your complexion. It also helps in tightening the pores and helps in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can finish with a soothing upward roll from between your eyebrows up to the hairline. The whole process should take 2 to 4 minutes depending on how many passes you are doing and how many areas of the face you are hitting. As you are working the jade roller, you will see your skin start to flush. This is a good thing. Now about Gua Sha tool. It is designed to sculpt, contour and shape. Facial Gua Sha uses a stroke that creates pressure and stretch at the same time, which makes it more effective than the jade roller for sculpting facial features like cheekbones and jawline. If done correctly, facial Gua Sha is a very effective tool for relaxing tension in the face and neck. Not only does it feel amazing, it softens tension from your face and gives you a relaxed feeling, which in turn looks refreshed and more youthful. Thank you for watching. Bye. Good night. Love you all.